Picture this. Your wallet is on a diet and your bank account has caught the flu. Sounds familiar, right? You're not alone. This is the tale of many, often finding themselves short on cash, staring at a looming bill or an unexpected expense. It's like a horror movie, but without the popcorn. Now, let's talk about a lifesaver, the loan. But wait, don't let your imagination run wild with dollar signs. It's not a free buffet, it's more like a strategic battlefield. You've got to understand the rules and the players, the interest rates, the terms, and the fine print. For instance, consider this: interest rates. They're like that annoying neighbor who always seems to pop up when you least expect them. And just like you'd want to avoid that neighbor, you'd want to avoid high interest rates. But don't fret though, we're about to turn your financial frown upside down. Loans are not just for that Monopoly game where you always end up bankrupt. They're real and they're a lifesaver. Imagine you're on a shopping spree and you spot this one-of-a-kind, vintage, absolutely must-have piece of furniture. But alas, you're a couple of $100s short. Enter loans, your knight in shiny armor, ready to rescue you from the distress of lost opportunities. Loans come in various shapes and sizes, much like those fancy donuts at the new bakery down the street. Whether it's for that dream car, a home in the suburbs, or to kickstart your own business, there's a loan for every purpose. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: interest rates. Think of them as that clingy ex who just won't let go. High interest rates follow you around, making your life difficult. But unlike the ex, you can choose your interest rates. A bit of research, some bargaining, and voila, you've got yourself a deal that won't haunt you in your dreams. Remember, loans are not your enemies. They're like that friend who lends you a hand when you're in a tight spot. But just like that friend, they expect you to return the favor. So, you see, loans aren't the bad guys. They're like a friend who lends you money but, spoiler alert, expects you to pay it back, with a little extra. You know that comic book you've been collecting since you were a kid? Well, it's not going to help here. Real assets, though? They're the superheroes in our story. Strap on your capes, folks, because we're diving into the financial universe where assets and businesses are the true champions in defeating the villainous debt. Imagine your debt as a monstrous dragon breathing fire on your financial stability. Now, your assets are like the legendary Excalibur, ready to slay that beast. They can be anything from your house, car, or even your business. They're like Batman's gadgets, each one with its own unique power to battle debt. For instance, consider your business. It's like Iron Man's suit, a powerful tool that generates income. You can use it to pay off your debts while still maintaining its functionality. It's like selling hot dogs at a baseball game. You're making money while enjoying the game. Now, let's add a little humor. Imagine paying off your debts with your assets, like selling your siblings stuff while they're away at college. You know, their comic book collection, video games, even their beloved guitar. It's like the ultimate heist. But remember, this is just a funny thought, not a suggestion. And just like that, your assets have swooped in, cape fluttering in the wind, to save your financially distressed day. All right, financial warriors, we've reached the end of our journey, but not before we perform the Holy Trinity of YouTube. No, it's not a secret handshake or a mystic chant. It's something far more powerful. It's the 3 magical actions that can turn your financial life around. First, we have the like button. Think of it as a high five for your wallet. Next up, we have the subscribe button, or as I like to call it, the magic button of endless financial wisdom. With one click, you're on your way to becoming a financial guru. Let's not forget the comment section, the perfect place for you to share your thoughts, your progress, or even your favorite joke about money. And last but not least, the share button. Consider it your superpower, allowing you to spread the wealth of knowledge to your friends and family. Remember, every like, comment, subscribe, and share is a step towards financial wisdom. So go forth and spread the wealth of knowledge, that is.